This is a short video demonstrating how to create an account on Desmos.com so that you can complete the activity Mr. Zaky has for you today. I want you to start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome, and we're going to go to Desmos.com. Once you get there, your screen should look like mine. In this upper right-hand corner, let's go ahead and sign up. We're going to sign up using an email address. You all are going to use the same email address that you use for Clever. So your student ID at thedps.org. You come down here, let's type in your name. Please make sure that it is appropriate. This is the name Mr. Zaky will use when grading assignments. And then let's put in the same password that you used for Clever. So again, your email and your password should be the same that you've used for Clever. We're going to click I agree, and then I have read, and then you all are going to create your account. Once you create your account, your name will be displayed in the upper right-hand corner. So your name should be displayed right here. Once you've done that, we are going to type in at the top, student.desmos.com. And your screen should look like this. Because this is 5th hour, we are going to type in the following code, J58AFR. So again, that's J58AFR. You're going to hit join. Once you hit join, you'll notice this activity right here. How can I work with my team to figure it out? This is going to be the title of your class and then the date that it was assigned. And then you're going to hit start. Once you hit start, this is going to be your first screen. It's going to say, welcome to CCA2 1.1.1. How can I work with my team to figure it out? You're going to enter your name, and then you're going to hit go. And this is the screen that you should see. At this point, I need you just to pause and wait for any directions from Mr. Zaky.